Okay, let's cut right to the chase. You've probably seen a lot of people showing you their commission earnings, how much money they're making within the Amazon influencer program, but most likely you are still skeptical, or if you're already inside the program, you're like, why isn't this happening to me? How can I increase my earnings? Luckily for you, I'm gonna show you inside my Amazon influencer account and show you transparently, straight up, my results for the first month within the influencer program. Real quick, if you're wanting to get started in the influencer program and to scale your earnings each month, I've put together a free success guide with the best practices I've used that will help you get approved, grow your earnings, and scale faster. If you would like this guide, click the link in the description below for free access. But here's the kicker. I want to give you the exact step-by-step blueprint that I used to make over $500 profit my first month by just doing product review videos, and 3 things that I wish someone told me when I first started so that you don't have to run into the same issues. Because my hope, honestly, in making this video is that you're going to shortcut a lot of the issues I ran into and get a lot more better results than most people out there. Make sure to stick around. Tip number 3 is going to blow your mind. Also, this is a brand new channel. If you could do me a huge favor, hit the like button and subscribe. And if just one person subscribes to my channel from this video, I'll continue to post about how to help you make money on Amazon every day. Let's dive in. All right, let me take you back to where it all started just a few months ago when I first heard about the influencer program. For one thing, I'm not an influencer, and so I thought the influencer program was only for like people with huge followings, and so I was kind of skeptical at that point. But when I started to actually learn about the program, I realized it truly was as simple as doing short video reviews for products that you have or have not purchased. And so when I heard that, all I heard was I can make short videos that will not cost me money, and if someone watches it before they purchase a product, then I get a commission. Then the heavens kind of open. And let me tell you why. Because every video review that I posted, I thought of it as a small piece of what I call digital real estate occupying on Amazon.com. Okay, because I make a video review once for a product and it stays on that listing as long as that product is selling. Okay, so at that point I just thought, well, as long as I just keep pumping out product review videos, then it's going to be a compounding asset. And with the compounding asset, you want something that has little to no cost. That's huge. And that's what I also realized, is I realized it's all about volume. It's all about just like grit and tenacity and putting the work in. Okay, I wanted to learn about a side hustle that did not require capital to start. I sell on Amazon still. I've been selling on Amazon for a while. I sell physical products and I love doing that, and I still do that. But I just wanted to learn more about the Amazon ecosystem of how many different ways that you can make money on Amazon.com. So just like anything, I decided to give it a shot. What did I have to lose? Absolutely nothing. So I bought one of these like neck recorders and I still use it today. I was using it yesterday, and just with my iPhone, I started to do product review videos. Funny enough, when I got accepted into the program, it was during the summertime. I was beach camping with my family and I did not want to just sit there. I was so excited. I'm like, forget this. I'm going to start reviewing all the products at the beach. We were beach camping, and I saw like a bunch of my nieces and nephews and siblings and cousins are like, what are you doing? And so I was a little embarrassed at the time, but once again, like, I just didn't care. I did not care what anyone else thought, if I looked stupid. I just thought my eye is on the prize and I want to pump out these review videos, and I'm around a bunch of products that I normally don't have. So I want to take advantage of this opportunity. Recorded all those and it just kind of snowballed from there. And guess what? I started posting the videos, and not millions of people, but people started watching them, and I started to get a commission. Like, all I needed was just one little commission. I don't care if, like, I can't remember how much it was. It was like 60 cents the first day. Once I saw that, I was like, awesome, this works. Let's go hard in the paint. Okay, now here's the thing. I did run into a couple of hurdles, if you will, just a couple of things that made my account become on hold essentially. And so as I was fixing that account, I still was pumping out review videos, and I just started posting them onto a separate YouTube channel, kind of like as a storage. And then once my account got back up, I just uploaded all of them. So around this time, I had about 100 product review videos ready to upload. And so my first calendar month was September, and I made $713. And here's essentially the exact report from September. Had 4,900 clicks on my videos, 478 products shipped, 11 returns, conversion rate about 9.61%. There's a shipped revenue, but then like total commissions was $713. So think about that. From 0 to 713, that was just 1 month. And so I knew that that is just the start. If I just kind of keep this up, then it will be compounding. And so far that is 100% the case. Now, if you're thinking like, okay, like what exactly did you do? Like tell me what you did step by step. What kind of products? Did you do this? Did you do that? I'll get to that. But First, I really want to give you the first 3 most important lessons that I learned. And I bring these 3 things up because I still see these questions online in Facebook groups, on YouTube, on my Instagram account all the time. And so I promise you, if you just listen to these next 3 parts, I think a lot of your questions will be answered. So I want to get into the very first thing, which is, are vertical videos more profitable or horizontal videos more profitable? Based on data, this is my answer. Let me share a surprise with you that might change your life forever. And that's the fact that the shape of your video is a lot less important than you think. And the fact that I know this is, at the time of this video, I have over 700 product review videos, and looking at all of them, I've looked at the very top performers, and the shape of the video had nothing to do with how well it's been doing. The reason that those products are doing well is because there's low competition and they are a high priced item good, okay? And that's a reality. The shape of your video is nothing to really worry about. And the reason I bring this up is because I'm a part of a lot of influencer Facebook groups. I read your guys' comments on my videos. I look at comments on other similar videos. And that's just like a real topic. Like, people love talking and asking, like, is horizontal or vertical better? Is it this way or is it that way? It really does not matter. I would have to say, like, unless you have like 5,000 review videos and you're like trying to get really nitpicky with it, then you have the permission to be picky. But until you're at that point, you just need to record the video and do whatever is most convenient for you, okay? So for example, if I'm on the go, if I'm not at home, then I will always use this and record with my phone. And usually it's a vertical thing, okay? Vertical approach. If it's a wide product, like I reviewed a ping pong table recently, and so I just shifted my phone horizontally because it just like was able to cover the shot better, okay? If it's a product at home, then I'll kind of have this set up and I'll have it a horizontal approach. And so I just want to say that because it's really easy to waste a lot of time nitpicking about these little things, when in reality, it's more important that you just record the video, tag the product correctly, and making sure that you're giving a good enough review to convince the customer to buy the product, and then you get the commission. Another thing I'll add to that is, do not worry about buying a fancy camera or lighting or anything like this, okay? I have a lot of really good videos that have performed well by just using my iPhone camera and just using this neck tool, okay? So don't worry about buying any equipment. Use your phone, do what's easiest, and just set a goal around volume. Set a goal around getting to 100 review videos as fast as you can once you're accepted inside the program. Tip number 2, here's my biggest piece of advice. Focus on quantity. At first, I was pretty like overly concerned about making sure the review video was kind of perfect. The lighting, the I was making thumbnails like blah, blah, blah. But here's the reality. Perfection is the enemy to profitability. Now, I'm not saying to post complete garbage review videos, because no one's going to feel incentivized to buy a product after they watch your review video if you don't really say anything unique about the product, or you're not really into it, or you're not even explaining it well. But my suggestion is, make a goal around the number of products that you review, okay? Do not make a goal around how much money you want to make. Like, do not make a goal around, like, I got to make $100 this week or today, okay? You're going to get very obsessive over like tactical information, okay? Make a goal around quantity, because what I learned early on, and I'm still learning this today, is the more products you review, the more money you're going to make. It's that simple, okay? That's the equation, is the more products you review, the more money you're going to make. Volume really does negate luck, okay? So focus on quantity. Now focus on quality, and what I mean by that is explain the product clearly, okay? If you're unfamiliar with the product, take a few minutes, take 5-10 minutes, test the product out, okay? Look, see what you like about it, what you don't like about it. Become familiar with it, but do not spend a lot of time over analyzing, and set a goal to review X amount of products every day, every week, every month. And I promise you, if you make the activity the goal, like not the outcome of making money, but the activity of staying consistent with reviewing products, then you're going to win. You're going to make money with the influencer program, okay? So stay focused to the activities, stay committed to the activities. The activities of staying committed to this is the goal, okay? So review as many products as you can, and you should start off by reviewing everything in your household first. That should get you to 100 review videos. in your first month. The last piece of advice I would give you is to tag your products correctly. This may seem simple and straightforward, but here's the thing. When you're uploading a product review video and you're tagging a product, you have 4 options. You can tag the product that your video is about by idea list. You can find it through recent orders, through your browse history, or subscriptions. And when I first started, I was tagging products like crazy. I was tagging like as many products as I could to one single video, thinking that my video would appear on multiple products. It did kind of the opposite. Okay, what I quickly learned is if I just tagged one product, the right product, after a few weeks, after about a month, I saw my video really kind of start to spread, and Amazon themselves tag that product to other listings. And so don't worry about that. Just tag the correct product and tag only one product per review video. And I think a lot of people actually tag products incorrectly, thinking that they're tagging a certain product that they purchased. But to make sure that you're doing this correctly is tag products using something called an ASIN. An ASIN is an Amazon standard identification number. The only reason I know this is because I sell on Amazon FBA, and every product has a unique ASIN, and it always starts with B0. It's like a unique Amazon UPC barcode, if you will. It's like a unique number that every product has. And even if a product has multiple colors, let's say I'm doing a review for this shirt and I'm doing a review for the same shirt, except it's a red color, not blue. Each of those colors have a separate ASIN. So what I mean by that is whenever you're gonna tag products, always identify and copy and paste this ASIN. And the easiest way to find the ASIN is in the URL of that product. And it's always gonna start off with B0, and it's gonna be about 8 to 9 digits long. Okay, it looks just like this. And if you do this, you're gonna be tagging the correct product, and that product review video over time is going to be spread onto other listings. So don't worry about trying to copy and paste the video onto multiple different products. Amazon, the algorithm will do it itself. I appreciate you watching this video. If it's been helpful for you, please hit the like button and of course subscribe so you can be notified when future videos come out. I'll see you in the next one.